Looks like I've got a new friend. Hey? How you doing? How you doing? Hey? Hey? Come on now. Hey? Come on. Where have you gone? Hmm? You're in the wrong bit of the light. Aren't you beautiful, though? Hey? Look at you. Hey? Where have you gone? Come on. Come here. Where you gone? There you are. Hey? Keep diving. Yeah? Aren't you lovely? Hey? Hey? Thanks for saying hello. Hey? I don't know what that means in a cat. I've always been a dog person, but oh, there you go. Oh wow! I wish I could do that. You're showing off. You're just showing off, aren't you? Did you see that? Went halfway up a tree and came down again. Is that home? Is that home? Is that where home is? Hey? Go on, rip it up. Hey? Rip it up, go on. Hey? Hey, aren't you? You're quite something, aren't you? Hmm? Okay. I would take you home, but you probably belong. You probably live with somebody else, don't you? See? Don't you? Yeah, that's where I live. Well, that's where I exist. All you need to do is bash your nose against that door, you'll get in. Everybody else does. Let's see who's awake, shall we? Before we go in. Hopefully they'll be sound asleep. Well, it's been lovely to meet you. It's been lovely to meet you. Yes, it has. Yeah. See you again soon. Here we go. Watch this. Oops. Oh, I must have slammed it really hard and changed the thing. Let's try one more time. There you go. So all you have to do is push the door.